Alright, so here's another look of the ambient lighting. This is the driver's side door, the footwell, the front center console, the cup holders. You probably won't be able to see it too well. Camera makes it look a lot darker than it is. It actually shines the whole floor, but the camera's not picking it up too well. This is a passenger floorboard. Same thing with this one here. Camera's not picking it up too well. Let's see if I can get another angle of it. But this is the passenger door. Same thing here. That's the rear front door handle. I'm not for sure why the camera picks it up a lot darker than it should be. Maybe if I change color, let's see what that gives. It doesn't really show too much of a difference. There you go. I don't know if that picks up any, probably not. The floorboards. Door handle. There's the little light on the passenger side. Like I said, it doesn't pick it up too well. Here's the one on the driver's rear door. The light. It's not as bright as you think it would be, but it's enough where you can see that this is a handle out if you here in person. There's a little light. You also got your floorboard. Don't think you'll pick it up too well. There's that. I'm gonna see if I can change a different color, because it will light it up quite bright of the floors. Yeah, still doesn't pick it up too well. Yeah, probably doesn't pick it up too well too still for the floorboards. But if you're out in person, you can actually see that it lights up the floors, so you can see where your feet are at. I do not have the passenger side wired up yet. I do have the harness. I'm just waiting for nice warm weather to take the door panel apart so I can wire it up. So all I gotta do is add the two wires into the actual door harness, run it from the door to the body, then run it from the door pillar to the actual can line on the passenger side. See, here's the passenger side. It lights up red when you open the door. Here's another little photo or a picture of it. Probably can't see it too well. The camera don't honestly pick it up too well. There you go, you can see that one. And you can see where the handle is at for the actual door. Passenger floorboard lights. Then I also added a little console light. So when you open it up, you can see what is inside of there. And it does actually work. Open, close, open, close. So that's just another little video of the ambient lighting.